Hello, 안녕하세요. Welcome to Free Korean. Today, for the 7th lesson on consonants and vowels, we will finally talk about Korean final consonants. In the last lesson, we learned all the consonants and vowels concluding with 의. Therefore, in this session, we will learn to read and write characters that include Korean final consonants. Okay, today's learning objectives. First, read and write characters composed of consonant plus vowel plus final consonant. Second, read the final consonant accurately when iung, vowel, comes after a final consonant. Third, read and write words containing final consonant. I hope you to achieve all learning objectives by the end of this video. Here is today's content. Today's content will follow the provided order. Now, let's start with the main content. Let's briefly introduce the concept of Korean final consonants and discuss how to use them. The consonant placed below the vowel, like the red iung, is called the final consonant, which is 받침 in Korean. And all consonants can be used as the final consonant except for 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍지읒. Then, let's explore how to write final consonants. Unlike English, where all consonants and vowels are listed in a line, Korean final consonant must be written under the vowels in three different ways. First, in characters like ka, where the consonant 기역 and the vowel a are arranged horizontally, place the final consonant between the consonant and vowel. Second, in characters like 고, where a consonant and a vowel are arranged vertically, place the final consonant below the vowel. Last, in characters like 과, where one consonant and two vowels are used, place the final consonant under the vowels and between the vowels. Plus, the consonant iung in the examples produces the sound 응 when used as a final consonant, while it has no phonetic value as an initial consonant. It is similar to the English ng sound. From now on, let's look at how the final consonants are pronounced. In Korean, the consonant as an initial sound is pronounced similarly to English. However, there is a slight difference when it comes to the final consonant. Basically, the pronunciation position of the final consonant, such as lips or tongue, is the same as the initial sound. However, when g, d, b sound come to the final consonant, the way of pronunciation is a little bit different with English. Let's take the example of pop. English speaker might pronounce pop as pop, but Korean pronounced it as pop. When pronouncing the final consonant, the key feature is to block the air, creating a distinct breaking sound. In Korean, the final consonant functions closing the pronunciation at the end of the syllable, while the initial sound functions opening the pronunciation. Another example is 국. How do you read it? In Korean, it is read as 국, not guk. Do you feel the difference? Again, block the air to create a clear break. Now try reading 곧. It is not god, but 곧. Here is a tip for speaking final consonant, which is invisible P strategy. Imagine there is a P at the end of the word when pronouncing Korean final consonant. For instance, pop is pronounced like pop, but don't pronounce the P. Just say pop and stop. And except for the sounds k, t, b in final consonant, other final consonants are pronounced similarly to English. For example, 감 with the final consonant 미음 is read as just 감, and 손 is read as 손. Now let's explore the sound of final consonant when a vowel are followed, which means same as iung is followed. In Korean, if a vowel follows a final consonant, you shift the final consonant to the next syllable. This is called 연음, which is linking sound in English. For instance, take the word 직업 as an example. The final consonant 기억 in 직 is followed by up with 이응. In this case, you link the final consonant 기억 to the next syllable, pronouncing it as 직업. The same applies to 한국어, where 국 with the final consonant 기억 links to pronounced as 한국어. Of course, when writing, you have to maintain the original form, like 한국어. What about 깊이? It is pronounced 깊이. And how about 월요일? It becomes 월요일. However, there is an exception consonant to the linking rule. It is the final consonant 이응. You cannot link the final consonant 이응 to the next syllable. Okay, today's content has been covered, and now let's practice. The first exercise is writing characters including final consonants. I'll read and you fill in the blanks by pausing the video. You can find this textbook in the YouTube description link. Let's begin! Okay, well done. Okay, here are today's words. I prepared 8 basic Korean words with final consonants. Read along with me and fill in the blanks. Let's go. 문, door, 수박, watermelon, and 숙제, homework, and 직업, job or occupation, and 대한민국, Republic of Korea. Just like America and USA refer to the United States, for South Korea we have 한국 and 대한민국, which is the official name of South Korea. Let's continue. bibimbap. Bibimbap is one of the Korean traditional food. 월요일, Monday. 월요일. 한국어, Korean. Now it's time to dictation. Listen carefully and write them down. Number 1. 밥. 밥. Number 2. 직업. 직업. Number 3. 숙제. 숙제. Number 4. 수박. 수박. Number 5. 월요일. 월요일. Number 6. 한국어. 한국어. Number 7. 대한민국. 대한민국. Number 8. 비빔밥. 비빔밥. And let me show the answers. Did you get all the correct answers? Okay, finally the contents I prepared are done. We've learned how to correctly read and write Korean final consonants and dealt with linking sound. I appreciate your hard work today. I hope you all achieved your goals through the video. Thank you for watching today and see you next time. 안녕.